Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a Valentine's Day DIY candy bouquet. So you see those ones at Walmart that are $20, you only get 3 pieces of candy. Not cool. You can make your own and spend the same amount and just fill it with more personalized items. Everything I bought is from the Dollar Tree except for the Reese's. I got that bag of Reese's at Target for $3.88. So they have these little kind of pom-pom decor. And I got this little gnome. I taped him already to the back. I didn't want to glue him in case you want to give him away as a gift and keep him. You don't want glue on his back. You get 4 movie theater box candies. Got some candy necklaces. Got these little lollipops. If you want to get these sticks, you can get them at Dollar Tree or Walmart. Walmart has the bigger, thicker ones. A bag of Reese's was $3.88. Got some Starburst, some Haribo gummies. And then last, you want to get some of the roses. And I've cut them with my wire cutters already. They had some with hearts on them. And then your styrofoam. So let's get to it. So first, you want to just glue your boxes together to make your base, and then we'll put the styrofoam in and start creating. I really need a new glue gun. Drop me some comments of what your favorite glue gun and what brand it is, because mine is junk. I pre-did some of these. You can use glue or you can use tape. So today I'm just going to use tape to try to speed up the process because I need a new glue gun. But you want to do a couple of these sticks. Make sure when you are doing your candy that you have the right way so it's not upside down. I've done that before and that really stinks. So I'm going to do a couple of these and then we're going to start creating. So now we're going to put it together. I'm just going to turn it towards me first so I could just get my little centerpiece localized. My little gnome. All right, the bigger pieces you want to put towards the back. Some of my Reese's, Rice Krispies. Okay, so I'm going to take this little one because I didn't put on a stick and kind of put it in the front so it's going to show. And then you just want to fill up the rest of your stuff. So here is my little Valentine's DIY candy bouquet. I hope you guys like it. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Have a great day.